everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about how to create a customer through the Odoo website form. Odoo website form allows visitors to easily submit their information such as the name, email, and phone number. This eliminates the need for manual entry of data and saving time and reducing errors. This captures the information can be automatically used to create a new customer record in the Odoo system. This record can be used for various purposes such as sending marketing emails, processing orders, or providing customer support. So website form provide a convenient way for visitors to express their interest for a product or services, and they can sign up for newsletters, request a quote, or create an account, all without leaving the website. So let's see how can we manage or create a customer through Odoo website form. For that, we can just dive into the Odoo website form. As you just get into the Odoo website form, our website here, you can see that we have already a website, a form in the website. So in order to create a new website, either we can just click on new button where we can click on the form, create a page, and afterwards we can just create a form. So currently I'm not going with this, but you can also create a form by clicking on the edit button. So as you just click on the edit button, here we can just search for the form. So as we just search for the form, here we can see that the form is a dynamic content, so that we can just drag and drop this form in this page. So as we have a form over here, we don't need to drag this over here. And upon the confirmation or upon the submission of this form, a customer need to be created. So the action that to be performed over here is the creation of the customer. So in order to do that, we have to customize the button submit. So let me choose the button submit, and here you can see we have moved into the customizing section. And here we can see that we can just perform different actions such as apply for a job, create a customer, create an opportunity, send an email, and all. So let me create a customer upon the submission of this. So here you can see we have set likewise. Afterwards, you can save the changes that you have made. Later on, we can just fill out the details of the customer. So let me fill the name of the customer, that is Johi, and here we can just provide the email of the customer, that is johi@gmail.com, and here we can find the phone number. We can just give the phone number and all. So let me just give the phone number, and here you can provide the company, and if you want to provide, which means if the customer wish to provide their job position, the customer can provide that. If else, it's not mandatory to give the job position. So let's leave that field as empty, and let's click on submit button, and you will get a message that your form has been submitted. And now let's want the contact module, and here you can see the contact will be created, and that customer can be used for many purposes such as for sending emails or any other things. So here you can see here there are two customers with the same name and same address. I think that has duplicated and all. So here, anyways, you can see the customer is created over here. So as you just choose a customer over here, you can see the name is automatically appended here, and the company name as well as phone number and the email is auto-populated in this field. So it's very easy to manage the creation of a customer through the website form, and this can improve the overall user experience and increases the chance of converting the visitors into a customer. So I hope this video clarifies the management of the creation of customer through a website in the website form of Odoo. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.